Bill. Before I want to start this video, I want to give a quick shout out to Alex. He's helped me a bit. He's subscribed to me and he's also checked out my videos. So thanks, Alex, if you are watching this. If you're not, you're missing this big time. So I'll finish this now and I'll just crack on with the video. Hi, this is the Bill and it's another redstone video. In this part of making a redstone timer, redstone timer, we're going to be carrying on from where we left off in the last episode, which was part 1. So in this episode what we're going to be doing is we're going to be linking these up to this 7-bit display. Going to be creating another one of these next to this so that this can display the 1 for 10, and after that I might even make it link up so that it plays as a loop and also stops it. So I don't know about that, maybe not, but the thing I can definitely say is that we're going to finish this in this episode. So what you want to do is grab the building blocks that you were using before. Let's start with this lane and just drag it off a bit further than this to get to here. And so I'm leading it like 1 block down because I want this to connect to this torch, making an inverter. And also I'm going to have to place an inverter there so that it displays it when this is... wait a minute, what? Actually, yeah. So what will happen is that the redstone torch there will be inverted. That will turn on these torches, turning off that, which lets that extend past the screen. So that is what's going to happen. So then you want to grab your building block again, and I'll just do this formation here. Drag your dust across that, and then you want to link it up to here by doing a downwards facing diagonal. This might be a bit high. Yeah. So now when you've got that, you want to place an inverter yet again and drag the signal up to here. That will turn off these. And now you want to do the exact same for the opposite side. So this time we might not need to do it across, we won't need to do it across that far, but we will need to use the same setup for this using a down diagonal. So I'm going to just drag this along and up a bit. So I'll just use that formation just because I like the look of it. So just drag it along like that, place a torch here and drag the signal out to here. So that's what will happen. So I'll just drag the input signal out a bit. Oh damn, it's raining again. Yeah, so like that. So I'll just drag the signal out a bit. Obviously I don't need to use repeaters because I'd just be insane. And I'll use 1 repeater there, and I'll use another repeater there. And then guess what? I'm gonna place another repeater there. Yeah, so you don't need to have this. This is just so that I can see it. So that's what'll happen. So it glitches a bit there, but it works as we intended it to do. So right, right, we need another tick of delay on each of these because these are the side inputs and that is the center, and that uses repeaters. So let's just put a repeater here and here, and that should be it. So let's damn. If I just destroy this torch and place it back real quick, that should fix it. What? Ah. Yeah, that's worked. Alright, so that's done. So now we can link all the other signals up. So this one's going to go to the middle one, and we don't need a torch here because 0 doesn't have a middle in it unless it's a diagonal, which we don't have in here. So just drag the signal over to here, and I'll use this formation again, and I won't actually put it past there. Actually, it's alright because it uses a torch. So just drag this up like this, and might need another repeater in here, but we'll just see how long it lasts without that. So let's just place a block there to split up the two signals, and how about we plus one there? Did it reach it? No, we're gonna need another repeater anyway. So if we do that, then we can lengthen the delays of this, this, and this, just so that it can catch up. And yeah, we're just leaving that torch there for now, just so that we can, have a little idea of what it's going to be like. So let's see. It hasn't got the inverter in it, so that's something to watch out for. Yeah, I'll probably put it around here somewhere. Yeah, right, so let's see how it works now. It's a little slow, but we can compensate for that with the awesomeness of it. So, alright, now we can link up this signal, which I believe is going to this one here. So we can yet again do a downwards diagonal, and actually I think I will skip this just because it's exactly the same procedure over and over again. So I'll see you in a minute when I've done this. Right, so when you've done that, it will look something like this, and just to show you, I've done this a little differently with the side input, and I've also done this a little differently using a half slab ladder. But other than that, it's the same basic concept. So now what you want to do is put exactly the same sort of figure on the other side. And it's raining again. So I just want to do exactly the same thing. And you want to repeat that 3 piston stage for all of these until it looks a little bit like this. So then you want to place your blocks on the front, and that will end up looking like this. Then this will happen. Then you can do this. And basically we're just repeating the same steps that we did on the other side. So, oh man, gonna wait a minute. Actually, I'll put that up a bit. Yeah, hopefully this won't interfere with. Oh, tell you what, I'll use a different technique. No, I'll actually get rid of that. Now I'll do that. So that works exactly the same almost. So we don't need that block either. So now, oh, not again. I'll just do that. So we can put in all of our repeaters here, and we've got another problem. Yeah, I'll just put it in like this. So that should work, I think. Sort of. So, oh, it's not going so well. I have an idea. So, an inverter there, and just there. And that should be our inverter. Drag this along and up. And I'll put that up like that. So this is a bit of an awkward design. Obviously not there needs a repeater in there. So I will add one in just a second. So actually not a lot of places have repeaters in there, so just stick a repeater there, and that seems to be all the places that it's missing one. Apart from here, definitely here. So let's just put one there. Alright, I just want to say that this is where the break is going to be for part 2, or like the end of part 2, because it's way too big, the file. So this is the end of the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.